AOL blerk error 1. Errors of AOL services. 1. Outdated browser. 2. Cookies and cache. Outdated browser. This issue of AOL blerk error 1 occurs if the users are using the outdated version of the browser. Outdated browser welcomes many issues like a blank screen, slow processing, etc., while you are sending emails to your recipients and suddenly the screen crashes or there is nothing on the screen. These are some of the issues which the users facing if they are using the outdated version of the browsers. Cookies and cache. At whatever point we peruse on the web, they spare history or the browsing history which is junk for the program. Here and there, while perusing, the clients can arrive at the unbound sites and it contains the corrupted cache and cookies which cause the issue of AOL isn't working. It is imperative to clear the browsing history or the cookies as quickly as time permits because of the cache and cookies malware can likewise degenerate your PC. Fix AOL blerk error 1 on Mozilla Firefox. 1. Firstly, click on the three-line icon on top of it. 2. Click on the Help option from the drop-down menu. 3. You need to restart with the disabled option with that on it. 4. After that, there is a pop-up message shown by which you need to click on the Safe options so that you can get rid of the AOL blerk error 1. If you are unable to resolve the issue, do not worry. We are here to help you. Just follow the link given in the description below. Our experts are available 24 hours to assist you with any issue.